Okay, so this is Bumble. Bumby! Where's your face? Where's your face? And you, this is Bumble. And I found Bumble going through my Lush thing. And Lush has these, it packs of these, they call them. They're potato starch. You can eat them, I swear. Like, they're biodegradable. They have, like, no taste. Actually, they're just almost like Pringles. Okay? Anyway, so, found him in my Lush stuff. He has decided that these things are the best thing ever. Do you want this? You wanted this? You want one? And yeah, so this is a thing that's happening. I think they get stuck to his nose. What? Are you having some issues? No? Are you okay? They're sticky. They just stuck to your face. What's it? What's it this? Ooh. One of this? Crunchy. Delicious things. Yep, that's the thing that's happening. So, yeah, he likes them. I don't claim to understand. And they get stuck to his face. Come here. Come here. It's stuck on your mush. There you go. Strange little doggy. Well, did it happen again? Yay!